Hey guys, so on the first question here, we are looking for f of x plus h, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to write f of x plus h here, and then we're going to go back to the f of x, which is this one, right? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to write it down. So it's supposed to be 8x plus 4. So if I have more than one element here inside of f of x plus h, so I'm going to consider this is like a box. All right, so something there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the x's and substitute them by the same box. All right. And what's going to go inside the box is the same variable that you see there. So if I see x plus h, it's going to be x plus h here. All right. So your equation will become 8 times x plus h plus 4, and that's going to be making the distribution first 8x plus 8h, and then finally plus 4. So this is going to be the answer for A. We're done. Now, moving on to B, we notice here that we are looking for a numerator, which is f of x plus h minus f of x. All right. So remember that we have already f of x plus h. So I'm going to write it again. F of x plus h equals to 8x plus 8h plus 4. And then I'm going to write under it f of x. So f of x right here. And f of x is nothing other than 8x plus 4, right? So I'm going to write 8x under the x variables, right? 8x under 8x. The 4, I'm going to write it down under the 4. So if I'm going to do the subtraction right now, which is this one here, all right? What's going to happen? The like terms will cancel out. So 8x cancels out with 8x, 4 cancels out with 4, because we're going to have 4 minus 4, and that's going to be 0, right? So if I do f of x plus h minus f of x, this should be whatever remaining is only the 8h. And this is the easy way to cancel the element without any mistake, right? And the final step is we want to divide everything here by the h, right? So I'm going to do the same thing. I divide the left side by h. And if the right side I have more than one element, I'm going to divide every single one of them by h. So here I have only one. I divide it only once. And you notice here that the h will cancels out. H and h cancels out. So the answer should be equals to 8. And that's about it, right? So this is the answer for A. This should be the answer for B. And you are all set.